Good evening, traders. We're going to take a look at the IBB daily chart here, taking a look at the biotechs as well as some of the individual components that make up the biotech ETF here, so we can get a really good picture of where biotechs are headed in the near term. But first, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, visit us on the homepage to get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos and analysis we give to you on a daily basis, it's really nothing in comparison to the membership you get at thetradinganalyst.com. The best part is, once you sign up with your free 7-day trial, you're going to gain instant access to the profitable trade alerts that members are getting on a daily basis. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to help you. All right, so let's take a look at this biotech daily chart here. And as you can see, we're going to go over some short-term levels right here. So we've got a downtrend line that started right here, got a rejection there, right here, and I'm just going to extend that a little bit so we can continue to use that as a level of resistance. So far we're making some lower highs right here, lower lows and lower highs right here. Really want it to bounce sometime in the near future if you're bullish on IBB. We had this reversal candle right here, and so far we're still holding these levels right here, but we would have liked it to have broken out a little bit sooner than this in order to really show that strength. Overall, we're still holding these levels, and overall we're still in a very nice uptrend overall since November of last year. You can see we had a touch here, bounce there, bounce here, almost a touch right there. So definitely a nice uptrend here for biotechs, and some support down here at about 286.50. Above us, we've got that resistance level still at about 295. You can see it was former support. We broke that support, and then it turned into resistance. You can see getting rejected several times in that level right there. So definitely an area up here that you want to pay attention to for biotechs. Now let's take a look at some of the individual names here that make up biotechs, and we've got Amgn right here that broke this little trend line. Here's that uptrend, several touches against that. We broke that trend line, and we also had this support right here at about 164. There's a bounce, and you can see the last 5 days or so have closed underneath that support and have been trading just underneath that. So if you're bullish on Amgn, you want it to close above about 165 in order to really push higher. Next one we're going to take a look at is Angn. And Angn, really want to focus on the longer term chart here. So overall, this is a downtrend for this stock since August of 2015. So going back almost 2 years. It started right here. We've got a rejection here, right there, here, right there, and then just recently in February of this year right there. So that's the main level there on AGN that you need to be focusing on, as well as this resistance at 250. You can see we got rejected there. Right here we broke a little bit above it, but ended up getting rejected below it afterwards. Right here at 250, right here, and then you can see it was previous support right there. So definitely a big level on AGN. Next one we're going to take a look at is Celg. And Celg, you can see we broke this little bull channel right here. It was pretty steep to the upside, so I wasn't expecting it to hold forever, but definitely something to take note of that we did break that. Like IBB, we got this bullish engulfing candle right here, which is known to be a reversal candle as well. Right here we're just kind of trading sideways for the last week or so and not really going anywhere. So if you want to break out, you want it to close above this little short-term level of resistance at about 125. So a close over 125, and that's going to send us higher. Next one we're going to take a look at is Regn. And Regn want to focus on this uptrend line right here. There's a bounce, and we still have that support right here. On the upper side, we've got resistance at 398. You can see we got rejected there, and right here. So definitely a level on REGN that you want to be aware of. Next, we're going to take a look at Gilead Sciences, and we've been pointing out this downtrend line for quite some time. Started here, there's a rejection here, and just recently we have this rejection, and to me, this looks like a false breakout. We had this resistance, you can see that, and it broke back over it right here with some decent volume right there, and then the next day we closed below those day's lows, back under this resistance. So that level is going to be a resistance level, looking to me like Gilead is going to be headed lower in the near term. Thanks for stopping by and watching the video, everyone. Again, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, get to know us a little bit better by visiting us on the home page. Once you sign up with your free 7-day trial, not only are you going to gain access to those profitable trade alerts that I mentioned earlier, but you're also going to gain access to the private Twitter feed, the daily watch lists, the real-time trade alerts that are sent directly to your cell phone via text message, so you're never going to miss a beat in the market no matter where you are. You're also going to get access to the exclusive daily member videos, webinars, and an education from mentors like myself who truly care about your success in the market. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to help you.